Yo, what is up guys? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Monday project management. So monday.com is a website that's going to give you a tool that's going to be perfect for your project management needs, okay, whether you're doing this by yourself or you have a team. Okay, monday.com is the ultimate solution for you basically. There are a lot of other competitors that come along with project management tools and things like that, but this one ranks up there. So it's a 1 AI work platform for any kind of work. And you can see here it says no credit card required, and you get unlimited time on the free plan. So you can sign up for an account, you can just connect it with your Google account, and then you will have a monday.com account. And if you decide that you want to use this on an ongoing basis with like more bigger projects, you can see if I go to the pricing, you start for free, okay, free forever on the free plan, up to 2 members, and then it's from $9 to $19 per month. So you can see it's really affordable. Now let's get into this on how you can actually use it for project management. So this is my account, and I set my workspace as Steven. Okay, that's the name of my workspace. You'll be working on workspaces, and then you have these main tables and stuff like that with all your work inside. So you can create unlimited workspaces, and then you can work through them with your team or by yourself. So in my case, I just wrote here to do, and then so I actually need to work from this brainstorming section, then to do, and then complete. Now if you don't like the layout of the table, okay, you can click here where it says Kanban. I selected the Kanban, but if you hit these 3 vertical dots, not there, you go here. So basically you can change it within your settings. Okay, so that's basically how you do that. But I kind of like this because all I need to do now is when I'm for an example, if I'm working on this, I can move it to either done, working on it, or stuck. Okay, so I'm going to click on done, and then you can see it automatically moves into the done section. And let's just say this was to phone, let's say this was phone client as an example, and then you're working on it, so you can move this and see, you can just drag it to working on it. And if you have to build client list, okay, not started, so your whole team can see a big picture overview of what you're actually doing. And then when you move it to not stuck, working on it, then your team knows that they can actually start working on this. If you have a team, most likely you'll have at least one other person working for you with you on your projects if you're doing project management. But this is a great way to see overall what you're doing in your business, instead of working from notepads or text notepads on your computer, or notepads, offline notepads. You can see this all online, and you can share it with people. If you want to invite someone, okay, so you've just created your workspace, you want to invite someone, you click on invite, okay, you'll copy the link right there. And then basically what you can do is search by name, team, or email address. So you'll just put in the person's email address in there, and then invite them to your board, and then they'll be able to start working on this with you. Okay, so it reduces the workload, the work time, because you now have 2 people on it, and you can both see what's happening, and you can brainstorm different ideas on how to make things better with your particular business. Okay, so they do have a lot of features. Personally myself, I don't use all the features, but you have like a dashboard and reporting feature. Okay, so this is a good overview to look at once per month to see if you're on the right track or not. So you can see all tasks 4, in progress 2, stuck 0, done 2. Okay, so I have 4 tasks, I've done 2, I've got 2 tasks to do. That just gives you a good overall picture about how you're doing, and this keeps you focused, this keeps you on point, and you'll easily be able to hit your targets at the end of the month with this. So you can see it's a 50-50, and it just has task by owner there too. So what else can you do with Monday work management or project management? So if you go to the home page, you can see that they do have an inbox. Okay, so you can receive messages within your monday.com workspace. So, and then you have your recently visited there, and then you go to my work. It's going to show you, if I click on got it, It's going to show you that I need to brainstorm to do and then my tasks. So what am I doing on the past days? What am I doing today? What am I doing this week? What am I doing next week? What am I doing later? Okay, so you can see it all, puts it all together here for you for a nice overview. Okay, and if you want to try monday.com, I will leave a link for it in the description down below so you can check it out. And then they have quick search, template center, or you can autopilot hub, and you can have your personal menu, but mainly you'll be working on your main workspace or any other workspaces that you do create, and you'll basically be working on these on a day-to-day basis. So you'll just start putting stuff in here like make YouTube video. Okay, then maybe you have to edit the YouTube video. Okay, and then what do you have to do after that? You basically have to post YouTube video, and this is going to all be laid out here. And if you get stuck on it for some reason, the freelancer or your teammate doesn't know how to upload a particular YouTube video or do some sort of task within your project, you can see it says stuck here. You can hop on a Zoom call, you can hop on an email, and you can sort that out. So you can move from working on it, and then eventually you'll take those 3 tasks that you have to do: phone the client, edit the YouTube video, post a YouTube video, and there was one more here, create a YouTube video, but that seemed to have disappeared. But you can see the process of how this works. Okay, and it gives you this graph here. So all I need to do now is build the client list, and you can see it represented there, done 5 and working on it number 1. Okay, so that's basically the nuts and bolts about monday.com project management. A great tool in order to get more done in a shorter period of time. This is really going to save you time, and it's also free, so you might as well check it out. You can click the first link in the description of the video. If this video did help you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel for more project management videos on a daily basis, and I'll see you in the next video.